In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress images online for free using iLoveIMG. If you've ever tried to upload a picture and got blocked because the file was too large, this quick method will save you time and frustration while keeping your image looking great. First, open your web browser and go to a free image tool site like iLoveIMG. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Compress Image option. This is the tool designed specifically to reduce the file size of your pictures without making them look noticeably worse. It works for common formats like JPG and PNG, and you can use it on a computer or a phone. Next, upload your image. You can click the upload button to browse your device or simply drag and drop the file onto the page. If you have multiple images, you can upload several at once, but focusing on one image makes it easy to see the results. A quick tip here, keep an original copy of your photo somewhere safe, just in case you want to go back to the uncompressed version later. Now wait for the image to finish uploading. You'll typically see a progress bar or a small status message. The time it takes depends on your internet connection and the size of the image. Larger high-resolution photos can take a bit longer to transfer, so don't worry if it doesn't finish instantly. When the upload completes, click the Compress Image button. This tells the website to do the heavy lifting. Behind the scenes, it reduces the file size by optimizing the image data and removing unnecessary information. The goal is to shrink the file without making the picture look noticeably different. Give it a moment to process. It may take a while, especially if your file is large or your connection is slow. Keep the tab open and avoid refreshing the page until it's done. When the compression finishes, click Download. The compressed file will either save automatically to your Downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. Many tools label the file with compressed in the name so you can tell it apart from the original at a glance. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully compressed your image, making it quicker to upload, easier to email, and lighter to store. If you want to check the difference, compare the file sizes before and after. You should see a noticeable reduction while maintaining solid visual quality. Thanks for watching and enjoy your faster, lighter images.